Let's quickly talk about our top 10 rapid e-learning development tools. So if you're interested in this topic, here's a review I want you to pay attention to. Number 10, you have Vion, our score, 8/10. So when you think about Vion, I want you to think about a tool that is really great in terms of helping you produce engaging e-learning and training videos that learners can access at their own pace. It's really an excellent tool for organization updates, continuous learning, and scenario-based training. You don't need to have experience in video production to use Vion. You can easily make professional-grade animated videos or enhance existing materials that you can integrate into your preferred LMS. So this is just fantastic. So Vion, our score, 8/10. I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for Vion as of the date of this show. Number 9, you have vism, our score, 8.4/10. So when you think about vism, this is basically a popular design platform with free authoring tools for e-learning. It's an all-in-one platform for streamlining content creation for training. With vism, you can create learning resources like slide courses, instructional videos, and training manuals. You can also pick from vism's extensive stock library for free media assets and make your material interactive by incorporating elements like hotspots, pop-ups, and other fun effects. Or you can customize it to your branding with your own logo, brand colors, and fonts for cohesive design templates. This is really great. You also have the chance to collaborate with team leaders and management with a rapid e-learning development tool. That's really the tool has a real-time commenting and markup editing features that really help you a lot. You can also use whiteboards to strategize and organize your content authoring process. So this is really cool. I want you to look right now on the screen for me. Here is the pricing for vism as of the date of this show. So if you really want to use vism for some serious rapid e-learning development, it's just better to go with the pro plan, because the starter plan is not really that interesting. The basic plan, don't even talk about it. The basic plan is free, but that's just to help you get your feet wet to really understand how the tool works. But to now, if you want to really use vism for real, go with the pro plan. By the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Number 8, you have CourseArc, our score, 8.7/10. So CourseArc is another great addition to our list when it comes to authoring tools examples. So basically, this tool is great for onboarding, compliance training, upskilling, and reskilling. You can effortlessly design and deliver your training content while making sure it's available for your learners wherever they are located. So it has a design block templates that you can customize with unique assets to maintain organizational branding consistency. You can opt for its multi-branding feature where content can be easily rebranded and white labeled for reuse or resale purposes. This is really good. In terms of for the pricing, you need to contact CourseArc for more information. And key features I want you to pay attention to here. You have a design block templates, multiple device compatibility, and multi-branding also. This is really fantastic. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about our top 10 rapid e-learning development tools. Number 7, you have a Wis IQ, our score, 8.8/10. So when you think about Wis IQ, I want you to think about a tool that is user-friendly, that has tons of capabilities. You are talking about tools that will help you facilitate engaging online learning experiences for your learners. To cater to different learning styles, Wis IQ has a course creation tool that supports various content formats such as text, audio, video, presentations, and HTML. Besides an asynchronous format, you can also create branded learning portals to train your customers or partners through tutorials or live classes. And Wis IQ offers accessibility around the clock through personal handheld devices, so your learners can take their courses or join you live when you are on the go. You can even sell your courses if you're looking to expand your reach and generate additional revenue streams. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen for me. Here is the pricing as of the date of this show. So you need to contact the company, okay? You need to, because they don't publish their prices. You need to contact the company. But key features here when it comes to Wis IQ includes support for multiple formats, branded learning portals, and mobile friendliness. Fantastic. Number 6, you have Trainer Central, our score 9/10. So when you think about Trainer Central, think about a tool that gives you the flexibility you need to create e-learning courses. You can build any type of course, set up a unique curriculum, and incorporate multi-format materials to enhance your e-learning strategy. So by using the Rapid e-learning development tool, you can have your content, assignments, and other supplementary materials personalized to your liking. You can gamify your content and put up a scoring system to engage your learners. You'll also have your own dedicated library where you can store all of your courses and lesson materials. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is how the pricing looks like for Trainer Central as of the date of this show. In terms of key features here, you have multi-format material upload, course library, and branding options. Number 5, you have Thinkific, our score 9.2/10. Thinkific is a great rapid e-learning development tool. Basically, this platform offers a course authoring tool that allows you to cater to a wide range of training needs while considering the need for scalability and accessibility. You'll have plenty of options to create your content. With its drag and drop authoring tool, you can add basic elements like images, audio, and video to your courses. And you also have ready-to-use templates that can help you with making lessons, assignments, surveys, and quizzes. So while Thinkific boasts a set of impressive features, you'll have a couple of limitations in terms of courses, chat support, and author access. To gain full access, you'll have to opt for a paid subscription. In terms of pricing here, I want you to look on the screen here. Here is what the pricing looks like as of the date of this show. And so you can, if you pay whatever, if you pay the basic start or grow plan, you can avail yourself of key features such as drag and drop course builder, formatting options, and templates. This is just fantastic. Number 4, you have Rtiv, our score 9.4/10. So Rtiv is a rapid e-learning development tool that takes care of your course design process so you can focus on improving your content. And it has a user-friendly interface. So this is kind of cool because it doesn't matter if you are an expert or novice course creator without experience in programming or scripting. You can seamlessly customize your content and design to suit your learners' needs. Or you can add a touch of fun with games and quizzes to boost your learners' knowledge retention. So Rtiv also makes sure that your lesson can function across any device, eliminating the need for individual device customization. This is really cool. And so in terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is what the pricing looks like as of the date of this show. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about the top 10 rapid e-learning development tools. Number 3, you have here Domino, our score 9.5/10. So when you think about Domino, think about a tool that has knowledge management solutions that can help you boost performance and increase knowledge accessibility for your employees, customers, and stakeholders. So this rapid e-learning development tool combines traditional course taking with responsive authoring and software simulation, all rolled into one neat package. That means you can build different types of e-learning content faster with templates, stock assets, and real-time collaboration features at your disposal. This is really cool. And I want you to, now, when it comes to pricing though, you need to contact Domino because they do not publish their pricing information. It's a bummer because we believe that transparency really helps. But hey, listen, for competitive reasons and for other strategic reasons, Domino chose not to publish their pricing. Okay, so you're going to have to contact them. But there are key features you can expect through Domino's software tool. You have a responsive authoring tool you have templates and stock assets, and you have interactive elements, or again, all rolled over into one neat package. This is just fantastic. Number 2, you have Lector. Our score, 9.6 over 10. What we love about Lector is the level of flexibility this tool brings into your e-learning capabilities. With Lector, you'll have no problem simplifying all your course creation process. And it's a rapid e-learning development tool packed with useful tools, useful features, useful capabilities for creating dynamic digital learning experiences for your team. And so the cool thing is you can use the platform for multiple purposes depending on the goal that you have in mind. You can use the platform's assets library for stock images, audio, and videos that you can add to your courses to make them look polished and professional. And the cool thing about Lector is that Lector also has ready-made templates for unified color schemes and styles. This is really cool. And what happens here is that when you have this diversity of themes, this really adds a layer of credibility and a layer of creativity in your course creation process. These themes and styles are mobile friendly and adaptable to various devices, allowing accessibility for a diverse audience. So this is, Lector is extremely good if you have a diversified sort of user base, and not only diversified in terms of intellectual ability, but also geographic distribution. So intellectual ability, in other words, their experience level, their skill level, or where in the world they are located. Okay, if they are outside the country, of course. And in terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is a pricing for Lector as of the date of this show. So you basically get a 30-day free trial. What we love about Lector is that Lector only has one pricing tier. Nothing complicated, nothing confusing here. You have the gold suite, and this will cost you $1,400 a year. This is per author though, per author per year. But of course, you have a 30-day free trial and see if you like the tool itself. But at the $1,400, you have features such as desktop and online authoring. You have assets library. You have course templates. You have collaborative editing. So when we talk about $1,400 per year, this is about $120 a month, approximately. Number 1, the best of the best when it comes to the top 10 rapid e-learning development tools, we have EdApp. Our score, 9.8 over 10. So when you think about EdApp, think about a top learning management system that has a rapid authoring toolkit. And if you go with EdApp, you can actually avail yourself of the tools and capabilities so that you can stay ahead of the L&D game, the learning and development game. And for starters, you can use EdApp's intuitive creator tool to build your lessons, even without a coding or graphic design background. This is really cool. And the app boasts full access to over 80 to 100 interactive templates for efficient course creation. You can quickly incorporate images, videos, and game-based elements into your lessons to make learning more fun and engaging for your teams. That's what you want anyway. You want to have this collaborative environment, this environment of fun yet healthy rivalry. That's what you want anyway. Okay. And the cool thing is that EdApp has a tool called AI Create, which is basically a tool that allows you to use artificial intelligence to create quizzes, lessons just by having like a very simple and preliminary concepts. So with this AI powered course creation tool, it takes no more than a couple of minutes to finish your course. Just typing in a short description of the topic that you want to include in your course, click the create button, and you'll have it automatically generated for you within seconds. Think about it. You can also use the PowerPoint converter if you have old training materials that need updating. Simply upload your PowerPoint file, and EdApp will turn into micro lessons that are easy to digest and retain. So then you can actually, you only need to review and refine it to your liking using the authoring tool or the platform's inbuilt Canva integration. I want you to look right now on the screen for me, boss. Here is the pricing for EdApp as of the date of this show. So when you think about EdApp, I want you to think about key features as varied as a rapid authoring tool, AI-powered creation tool, multiple device compatibility, interactive templates, inbuilt Canva integration. You have SCORM, you have QuizMaker, you have detailed reporting and analytics, and you have PowerPoint Converter. Fantastic. Let me give you the overview here before we close to this conversation. It's important to understand that when we talk about rapid e-learning development tools, you got to have the right tool. The question is, how do you choose the right rapid e-learning development tool? There are plenty of rapid e-learning development tools out there, but when selecting your own, it's best to consider whether it has most, if not all of the characteristics you are looking for. Because the whole thing is you need to sit down and analyze your needs, and then based on those needs, go out there and search for tools that match those needs. Okay. And so you want to make sure, at a minimum, that you want to make sure that the tool that you are going to choose has a user-friendly interface. So the tool should be intuitive, so users with different levels of technical expertise can easily create content. Because the last thing you want is to have a tool that is quote unquote so sophisticated your team members do not want to use it because they are stressed about how complicated the tool is, right? You don't want to have that. And you want to have a tool that also has templates and pre-built designs. Having templates, themes, and pre-built design elements lets you assemble visually appealing content at a faster rate. And this includes layout, interactions, assessments, and multimedia elements. Also, you want to have the tool that has drag and drop functionality. You can easily add and arrange different content elements like text, images, videos, quizzes, and interactive activities within the course interface. You also want to have a tool that has collaborative authoring. So good rapid e-learning development tools allow multiple team members to work on the same project simultaneously for efficiency. You also want to have inbuilt creativity and inbuilt interactivity. So you can spice up your courses with interactive elements such as clickable buttons, branching scenarios, and quizzes. Also think about assessment and tracking. Okay, you want to have a tool that has assessments, quizzes, and tracking features for monitoring your learners' progress and generating reports on their performance. Also think about publishing and distribution. The thing is that when we talk about distribution really here, you want to choose e-learning tools that offer options to publish the created content in various formats, such as SCORM, for example. SCORM standing for Shareable Content Object Reference Model Packages. These are compatible with most learning management systems and other web-based formats. Also think about responsive design. Your rapid authoring tool should be able to adapt to different screen sizes and devices, including laptops, desktops, tablets, and smartphones. Before we close to this conversation and do a recap, I want to acquaint you with our approach. We have a method on this show when it comes to evaluating, categorizing, and learning, and reviewing rapid e-learning development tools. Check this out right now. All right, let's quickly recap here. So number 1, EdApp, 9.8/10. Number 2, Lector, 9.6. Number 3, Domino, 9.5. Number 4, Rtiv, 9.4. Number 5, Thinkific, 9.2. Number 6, we have Trainer Central, 9/10. Number 7, Wis IQ, 8.8. Number 8, you have CourseArc, 8.7. Number 9, vism, 8.4. Number 9 is vism, 8.4, and number 10, vion, 8/10. So let me just quickly recap here. EdApp, 9.8, Lector, 9.6, Domino, 9.5, Rtiv, 9.4, Thinkific, 9.2, Trainer Central, 9, Wis IQ, 8.8, CourseArc 8.7, vism 8.4, and last but not the least, vion 8/10. Thank you so much for your attention. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.